Welcome to the Skills Maintenance course for Fire Wardens. I'm Ken, and I'll be your guide through this essential journey to enhance your capabilities and readiness as a fire warden. We'll begin with a deep dive into the current fire safety legislation in Australia. It's crucial for you to not only understand these laws, but also to interpret their implications in your specific workplace. This course will equip you with the knowledge to navigate these legalities confidently. As a fire warden, your leadership and communication skills are vital, especially during emergencies. We'll explore techniques to improve your decision-making under pressure and how to communicate clearly and calmly, ensuring the safety and orderly conduct of those you are responsible for. Next, we'll focus on planning and executing effective evacuation drills. It's not just about getting everyone out, it's about doing it efficiently and safely. You will learn how to conduct thorough risk assessments, identify potential hazards, and implement preventative measures to mitigate these risks. Knowing how to use fire safety equipment correctly is a fundamental part of your role. We'll provide theory training with various equipment to ensuring you're comfortable with their use. Administering first aid during fire-related incidents can save lives. We'll cover basic first aid techniques tailored to fire-specific scenarios. Additionally, understanding how to coordinate effectively with emergency services is critical, and we'll go through the best practices for seamless collaboration. Lastly, we'll emphasize the importance of meticulous record keeping and reporting. These practices are not only mandatory, but are also instrumental in maintaining a safe working environment. Throughout this course, we'll engage in interactive sessions, discussions, and real-life scenario analyses. Your active participation will not only enhance your learning experience, but also contribute to your collective knowledge of this subject. Remember, as fire wardens, you are the front line of defense in ensuring fire safety in your workplace. This course is designed to refine your skills, update your knowledge, and empower you to perform your duties with utmost efficiency and confidence. So, let's get started on this important journey together. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me before we dive in. Thank you for picking this course.